Hi and welcome back. Here we're going to have a look at something really basic but very useful if you don't know. Here you can see I've got this input monitoring here, so you can hear my voice over here. And some people said, oh, it's not coming up on my track, so how do you get it to come up? But there's two reasons why it's not there. One of them would be is that if your input is not on, then it won't come up, right? So you need your input coming in for a start and it will show up. Also, you need to go to track header components and you'll see here you've got input monitoring. So that will take it off all the tracks. So you want to track header components, input monitoring. Also, for example, if you want to have, say you want freeze in there, that will come up for all the tracks as well. And you can assign what you want, like on, off. Sometimes that'll pop up by accident if you press on it. And, so you can have all these different options here, track protect and stuff like that you can, which are useful if you need them. And it's quite a basic function, but I saw that some people were asking about that, so I thought I'd put a video up. Also, yes, if you're asking about these colors here, as you can see, I've got my mixer that corresponds to all the colors of the tracks. And I basically use a program called LPX Colorizer. And also over here, if you assign strip color here, that will take the color from the actual track itself and put it here as well. I think that works in the normal version. I'm pretty sure it does, because it wouldn't be coming up in Logic here if it didn't. But let me know in the comments if that does work. So there you have that useful tip. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Ciao.